How do military families find affordable off-base housing? Imagine moving to a new city and trying to find a home that fits your budget and your family's needs. For military families, this process involves a few key steps to make it easier and more affordable. The first thing to understand is the Basic Allowance for Housing, or BA. This is a tax-free monthly payment based on your rank, where you live, and your family size. It helps cover rent, mortgage payments, and utilities, making off-base housing more manageable financially. Families use the BA to look for homes that match their preferred size, amenities, and neighborhood, while still benefiting from base resources and community support. Next, families should connect with the military housing office at their new base before signing any lease or buying a home. The military housing office offers support and referrals to help find housing options that are affordable and meet your needs. They can also help you avoid costly mistakes by explaining lease terms and local regulations. Many bases partner with private housing companies that manage off-base rentals. These companies often have application processes and wait lists, so applying early can give you a better chance at securing a good home. Another helpful step is to research the local housing market using online tools designed for military families. These tools can show you available rentals, prices, and neighborhood reviews. Some communities also have military-specific housing programs or support services like the Relocation Readiness Program and Army Family Team Building. These programs guide families through the transition, including finding off-base housing options and understanding lease agreements. If you can't find permanent housing right away, temporary lodging is a good option. Temporary housing can give you time to explore neighborhoods and find the right place without rushing. Connecting with other military families and community groups can also provide valuable tips on affordable neighborhoods and hidden gems that suit your budget. It's important to understand lease agreements and any special provisions related to military life. For example, some leases include policies for deployment or hardship cases, which can help if your family faces unexpected challenges. When choosing a location, try to balance cost with convenience. Living closer to the base can reduce commute times and transportation costs, making daily life easier and more affordable. In short, finding affordable off-base housing involves using your BA effectively, working closely with the military housing office, exploring local options, and leaning on community support. This approach helps your family stay stable, access necessary services, and enjoy a comfortable living environment even when you're living outside the base.